Hi, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I will be your trainer for this interesting and wonderful course, Azure Data Engineering. Over 2 decades of my love, dedication, and experience exclusively on Microsoft Data Stack, I can assure you practical step-by-step approach on this wonderful course, the Master Program on Azure Data Engineering with 2 real-time projects for your resume. Come on, let's get started. Let's understand more details about this particular 100% practical, real-time project-oriented, expectable classes in my training program. Let's get started. As a data engineer, we are responsible for 3 important things. Number 1, design of big data and warehouses. Number 2, we are responsible for ETL, extract, transform and load activities, ETL concepts. Number 3, we are also responsible for big data analytics. These 3 are the most important activities we need to do as a data engineer in our day-to-day job work. Now, how my course proceeds. I will be teaching you how to read data from files like text file, PDF, CSV, Excel, etc. I'll be teaching you how to read data from databases using SQL, structured query language. I'll be teaching you how to read data from apps like temperature sensors, social media, forms, tweets, feeds, etc. And then I'll be teaching you how to perform ETL concepts, extract, transform, load, ETL we call. Finally, get the data into the warehouse, DWH. In my training classes, I'll be taking utmost care in ensuring step-by-step concepts with Module 1, MS SQL. And in MS SQL, I'll be teaching you queries, stored procedures, merge, and more importantly, query tuning concepts required for a data engineer. We are not into coding, we are not into programming, but whatever SQL required to become a data engineer, to become a safe data engineer as per our job work, I will be teaching you practically step by step. Then I'll teach you module 2 data factory and something called Synapse, Microsoft warehouse. Then I'll be taking you to a project. Module 3 is all about open source environment like Python, Spark, PySpark and Databricks concepts with second project in our classes for data engineering course. Once we do all these 3 modules, then I'll be teaching you Fabric concepts with migration activities. Yes, Fabric is a Microsoft cloud full of AI capabilities, and we cannot leave it for our resume. I'll be teaching you Fabric concepts and migrations in this beautiful and useful course designed for your resume. I'll be taking it slowly, step by step, cautiously. And further important concepts. As a data engineer, we are responsible for, I said ETL and warehouse, right? There are 2 types of ETL and 2 types of warehouse. 2 types of ETL, data factory and Databricks. 2 types of warehouse, one is open source Apache Spark and number 2 Synapse SQL pool. I'll be teaching you the integration of all these 4 components for easy project implementations with good amount of FAQs and cheat sheets. Trust me, I'll make you love it in a simple way. Further, I'll be providing you the Power BI implementations as well, part of this course. So the main core concepts of Azure, to become an Azure data engineer, we need to have Azure SQL, part of my classes, Azure ETL, warehouse, data factory, Synapse, Databricks, data lake, IoT, all these items part of my practical classes. I have Azure events, key vaults, stream analytics, logic apps, Azure Purview, Python ETL, Spark SQL, PySpark, Unity Catalog, Data Lake, Delta Live Tables, Auto Loader, a new concept in Databricks, Stream Tables, Medallion Architecture, SCD, Slowly Changing Dimension, and CDC, that is Change Data Capture, Databricks Engineering Exam Guidance, everything designed exclusively for you, part of my training classes. I'll be teaching you everything practically, including the last item on the screen, the fabric engineering integration activities. So who can become a data engineer? Who can join my live training or detailed step-by-step self-paced videos or in my in-house classroom training? Who can really join? Yes, a starter or an experienced developer, experienced administrator, experienced tester, consultant, architect, or anyone who really wanted to blossom their career in big data and cloud computing environments. They are having a hearty welcome environment in my classes, because I'll make you love the subject with detailed step-by-step explanation. Pretty sure you'll be winning and you'll be really be very happy in my actual classes. I will make it easy for you step by step in every example with my detailed guidance and detailed step-by-step notes. We will be doing it carefully. Now comes the important point, the training guidelines. I request you to ensure you do on-time practice. Try to submit my daily assignments on time, my kind request. And also take part in our weekly mock interviews. My team would be conducting weekly mock interviews. I'll be taking care of trainings and assignments. My team will take care of weekly mock interviews. I will be taking care of one final mock interview with resume guidance, one-to-one mentorship. Let's not leave any stone unturned. My kind request, let's put our effort, let's put our maximum possible effort, and this course will definitely help us to reshape and propel our resume like anything. Trust me. Now comes applicable certifications. Yes, for data engineers, there is one certification from Databricks. In my classes, I can provide you the best possible samples, latest dumps to win the certification with my personalized training classes and detailed examples. I'll make you do target at least 85 to 90% score in certifications. We will do it carefully. And what about lab configurations? Yes, any OS works for my classes, preferably Windows. Of course, any OS works, no problem. And I shall be guiding you step by step for the required installations and configurations. Required software I'll be providing you for your practice items anyway on day one itself, day one of the course. Then comes the placement. Of course, the main purpose of our course, the motto of our course, the placements. We are very active on the placements for all these 2 decades with good number of contacts across the globe. So that's the reason we do provide mock interviews every week. And I do conduct in-person or one-to-one mock interviews at the end of the course. From there, I'll be guiding you for the placement as well. Placement assistance part of the classes. So make sure you do your best, your daily assignments, mock interviews, project work, and I am here to provide you the resume guidance one-to-one. What more you want? Let's seal it up. Let's seal it. Yes, we can easily do the course, and I'm here to guide you in person with proper one-to-one mentorship. I will do it. Post-training care. It's very, very important, right? The certification guidance. Continued mock interviews even after your course. The resume updates. And surprise weekend webinars. I'll be taking it. With job placement, job support opportunities, part of our classes with monthly webinars. Additionally, we have a detailed course curriculum that you can see on my screen now. Let me just click my screen and I'll take you to my website. So here we go. I'll just take you here to my website and I'll show you the detailed curriculum here. Just wait. It will just open the on my screen now. So a total of 5 different modules. Module 1, I'll be teaching you MS SQL and T-SQL queries with performance tuning. Module 2 would be data factory and synapse. Module 3, very important, interesting, Databricks with Python and PySpark. Then module 4 comes end-to-end real-time projects. There are 2 different projects. And module 5 would be Fabric Cloud with data warehouse and migrations. So detailed curriculum would be provided to you. It's already there on our website sqlschool.com. I request you to take a print copy of this course curriculum to get some clear idea like what we need to learn to become a data engineer. Trust me, once again, all my classes will be very much practical, step by step and realistic. The projects I explain are sure to be kept in your resume straight. What more? Yep, let's meet for a live demo class. Let's understand more about my actual classes, the kind of course curriculum, the kind of projects, the kind of assignments, and the kind of care I take in my classes. See you there in my actual classes and thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.